Right.
Give me. I need my phone. I have to Google a little bit.
Yeah.
No.
So, right. First, this is to release the magazine. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I don't know what to say.
But you can't just record without a script or something.
Yeah, it's fun.
Don't need a script.
Everyone can't improvise.
Alright, so
Okay. What's the name for that?
magazine.
Magazine. Okay.
Yeah, and
Magazine.
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 yeah.
What's the name for that?
Bullet.
Bulette.
The Bulette in the Magazine.
Yeah, bullet in magazine.
Oh no. Shit.
Yeah. Well, not at the cameraman. You just wait. You can shoot it at the
Window.
at the door.
No.
At the door, yeah.
How is it?
Oh, did you pull back the slide?
No.
All the way. You got to pull it back all the way.
All the way. Yeah.
There we. I think it's jammed. Yeah, we got.
What the hell?
Okay, jammed a little bit.
I need my phone. I have to Google a few words.
So.
Yeah. Shit. How? I need my phone. Fuck. I can't speak German anymore.
Oh.
Yeah, really. I can't speak German. Beschreibung Pistole. Hahn. Das ist der Hahn. And what do I use it?
Yeah, hammer. That doesn't do anything. It just
Okay.
sits there.
Der Abzug. Hier ist der Abzug.
The Abzug?
Ach, fuck off, Kai.
What's the Abzug?
Du bist der Abzug. Gas, Bohrung, Austritt, Magazin, Verschlussrohr, Schlagbolzen. What the hell?
Schlaghafen?
Abzug. Kimme, Schlitten, Mündung, Korn. What the Hahn? Sicherung. You've got no secure thing shit.
No safety. No.
Yeah. Or they will get bad this video. Will not get a lot of clicks.
I don't know.
But do you think they click on it because that's funny? Schießfeder. Pufferabzug. Magazin, Hahn, Schlagbolzen. Spielpistole, Beschreibung? Spielpistole, that sounds shit. Beschreibung? Pistole. What's the name for these things again?
Bullet.
Bullet.
Bullet. How do you write it? B-U-L-L.
E.T.
Kugel. Ah, sure. Kugel. Okay.
You ready, Kai?
I'm not
Can you
really
please
ready.
move, Kai? Oh,
I'm
she's
not
going to do a
really
little
ready.
practice.
Heute stelle ich die Spielpistole vor. Wir haben hier eine Pistole mit einem. What's the name for that again?
Magazine?
Oh, mit dem Magazin und ja, wir öffnen hier das Magazin an diesem Knopf. Dann tun wir die Kugeln rein. Stecken jetzt zurück in die Pistole. Ziehen dieses Teil zurück. Und dann kann man schießen. Jedes Mal zurückziehen. Oh shit.
You got a jam.
What? It's not working. Okay. Oh, das waren zwei.
Double.
Immer schön schauen, dass es eingerastet ist.
Einmal
Danke fürs Anschauen.